Welcome to the world of seamless shopping experience with Prestashop's Infinite Scroll add-on. In this video, we'll be diving into how this innovative module transforms your online store by eliminating the traditional pagination system. Imagine never having to click Next again. With Infinite Scroll, content loads automatically as your customers scroll down the page, providing a smooth, uninterrupted browsing experience. We'll explore how this can significantly reduce bounce rates, increase user engagement, and improve overall website performance. Let's see how easy it is to install and configure this module and make your store more user-friendly. Hi guys, this video is for Module Understanding video of Infinite Scroll Module. So you have to click on the select, and we have to choose the folder where your module is present. So you have to select and upload the module. Once the module is being uploaded, it will show the configuration button without any issue. Once the configuration button is being shown, you have to click so that you can redirect to the general setting page where you will find the module is in the disabled state by default. It should be in the disabled state since it is freshly installed on any of the store. So you have to enable it and click on the save. Once you will click on save, you will find the module, the success message. Now also the module will be present on the front end. So you will find it the last message and the go to top link, which shows that the module is enabled on the front end. Next we have a custom CSS where user can enter any CSS if they want to display it, apart from the customization tabs, which is by default given. So user can enter the custom JS and CSS. Once you will enter it and click on save. If the entered custom CSS is correct, then it will be applicable on the front end. You can see by refreshing the page. This is the pop-up which is appearing on the JS. The color red, which is shown on all the page, is because of the custom CSS we have entered. Next, we are having the advanced setting tab, under which we are having the first display the end message. If we will enable it, the end message will be shown. The end message, which is shown at the last of the page, where no more product is being left to be shown on the page then. So once you will reach the last message, you will find that the last message will be shown. Let's check on the last product page. This is the last message. So next, we are having End Display Message. This is a field where you can enter the message which you want to display at the end of the page from where the home product is being left to be shown. So on the front end, if you will see the changes made in the text of the message is being shown here. Next, we are having display Go to Top Link. If we will enable the Go to Top Link is being displayed right now, as you can see here if you will disable it. So, and click on the save. To save the configuration, move to the website, click on OK. You will see the Go to Top Link is not being displayed anymore. On the page, next, we are having display loader while loading. We will disable it so that the GIF will not be displayed when load more will work. As you can see on the page where many products is left to be displayed and it cannot be displayed on this one page. So the pagination is required. So you can see that no GIF is working when we click on the load more. If we will enable it, you will see the GIF which is being configured will be shown when you will click on load more. As you can see here, it is working. This is a GIF which will work. And at last, you will find the last message. Next, we are having the scroll type, how your scroll should be work on the front end. You can select or load more button as we have already shown, or else you can select the infinite scroll. That means no GIF will be shown. No button will be shown as soon as the user scroll down. Next page will be displayed on the front end. As you can see, this is a first page. Automatically, it will show the give and keep loading till the last message. Next, we are having select the page for the infinite scroll. You can select the page where you want to display the infinite scroll. Right now, we are having it on a category page. So if we unselect the category page and click on the save, then it will not display there. It will display on the selected page, which is price drop page. So we will refresh the same and find it that again, we are having the default pagination, but we have enabled it on a drop price page. So you can see the JS is working here, and also we are able to find the price drop page. Last message next, we are having the sandbox setting. So if we will enable it, that My IP button will be displayed when you will click on Add My IP. The automatically system IP will be captured in this field. You will save the internet. Scroll will only work on the system, which has this IP. The module will not work in any of the store, in any of the system, until this IP is re-enabled. So we will save next tab. We are having the display setting. The first one is loader GIF. Here, you can enter the GIF you want displayed, so you can select the GIF you have saved. As you can see, you will click on the save. This GIF will be shown on the front end next. We are having the background color message. You can change the background color message of the last message. You can change the text color of the message box. You can change the border color of the message box. You can change the background color of the top link. Once you have made the changes, you can save. Once the configuration is being saved, then you can see that the changes you have made in the color can be shown on the preview that is being displayed below that page. Also, these changes should be displayed at the back front and on the store. So you can see that the changes made in the text and the background color and the message color has been shown here. Next, we are having the selector settings, the selector item, container, selector next. This cannot be changed since the module functionality works depends on the selectors, which is mentioned. So that's all. This is how Infinite Scroll Module works.